Hey there. So for Standard C 6B, which is engaging in continuous learning to deepen professional knowledge, skills, and dispositions in organizational change and leadership, and to just improve general professional practice, there are several things that I have done this semester to meet this standard. One of the first things I did was actually create a PowerPoint on the basics of adult learning. I really didn't have any knowledge about adult learning before this semester, and I got to learn about several of the individuals, including Malcolm Knowles, who actually started some of the theories about adult learning. And it was fascinating to learn kind of the way that adults' brains work, especially since I'm used to dealing with third graders who, are 8 and 9 years old. So this is something going forward into an instructional technology position or a coaching position I'll be able to use because I know how adults are, set up to learn and wired to learn. And I'll be able to utilize some of the tools I learned on adult learning um, to make my professional development or virtual learning or, modeling lessons for adults in my school. So this video just kind of is a PowerPoint that I went through talking about the different parts of adult learning. And it covers everything from social relationships to the motivation behind adult learning to how we retain our knowledge. And then I actually have a training needs assessment that I created based on a CEU that I made, which is going to be attached as well. And the CEU I created was diving into standards with digital assessments for third grade math. So basically, looking at a way to use the Google Drive and create current math standard or look at current math standards and the language of those standards, and then designing assessments with the latest technology tools to transform paper tests into digital. And so I had no idea what a PLU or a CEU was. And after this semester, I've actually learned the formatting of them, how to write them, and how to actually come up with what that session might look like. And then again, one of the other things that we did this semester, which goes right along with this standard, especially the part about um, deepening professional knowledge and then improving professional practice. I think that part of the standard doesn't mean just for me, it can also mean improving professional practice for others. And I actually created a professional development session for a peer teacher in the program based on science technology standards and using the online program iExcel. Not only would this help her with her professional work, but also helped me because I was able to look at what she needed as an adult learner, apply the things I learned about adult learning in order to create a virtual professional development for her based on a survey that she filled out. So overall, I think that this standard was definitely met and will be, super beneficial to me as I move forward into an instructional technology or a coaching role.